and welcome to my YouTube channel where we will be learning Unix commands. So today's topic is cd, change directory. So as you can see, this command would perform change directory option, change directory function, where we will be moving from one directory to another directory as explained below. So there are different ways where in which we can use this change directory command. Let's go to our terminal and see how we can use this. So last time we saw pwd, this time we will see change directory. So as we have seen last time pwd, let's execute pwd. Pwd means print working directory. So in this it will show us where exactly we are. Now as you can see, we are under this Unix command directory. I will just do one thing. As it is mentioned, one by one we will proceed. Cd hyphen, so it will move to the previous path. Now before initiating the session, I was on practice directory. I changed it to Unix command, but now again we will do the same thing. Again I will type the cd space hyphen, so again I will move back to Unix command directory. If I type cd space tilde sign and then I do pwd, it will take me to the home directory of my user. Whatever user I am using, I will directly move to the home directory. So now here, if I want to go to the previous path, means this directory, directly from this directory, how I will do it? I will use the same command, cd space hyphen, and I will move over there. So I will do pwd. So this confirms that okay, from here I directly move to this directory with the help of this command, and I got confirmation with this command pwd that okay, the command execution is successful and I have moved to this path. Now if, as you can see, okay, I am at folder 1 2 3 4. If I directly want to move to the root directory, so the option is cd space this slash, and if I do pwd, it will show me root directory. Now again, if I want to move back to the previous directory where I was, again I will type cd space hyphen, and I will again move to the original path. If I want to move one level up, I will type cd space dot dot, and I will do pwd. So if you see, this dot dot shows current directory. Current directory means I was in Unix command, and this tells me that okay, you have to move to one folder up. So with the help of this command, I will move one folder up, means I will come to the practice directory. So here I am. Now let me do this thing, ls-l, and I will do pwd. So let's say if I want to go to this path, user shared practice and my docs. So if you see, all these folders, none of the folders, docs, scripts and Unix command is not having any space. But if I want to move to this folder which is having a space, how I will do it? So let's try to do it with normal process, my docs. So it says no such file or directory. It means that it is not as considering this space. So how I will do it? Cd my and then this slash, and then I will say docs. So if I type pwd, so yes, I have moved over here. Another way is cd, again I will do it, I will write it down, single quote my docs and single quote complete. I will do it again. So yes, I am into that folder where space is there. Then again another way, so it is cd double quote my docs. Again I will type pwd just for my confirmation purpose. So you can see there are these three different ways where we can browse through a folder which is having space in between. So I will do one thing. I will just move out of this and I will clear the screen. So I will check where I am. I am under practice directory. Again we will see how to make use of cd command in a shell script. So we will move to our script folder. I will just check. Okay, I am under script folder. I will see the script. Okay, so I will execute. Let's first open the script and see what exactly is written. So this is our script. Now in previous session we have seen this pwd command, so I will keep the pwd command as it is, and let's try to execute this script. So like this way, when I'm trying to execute the script, I'm getting this output. So we will go one by one. So when script will start to execute, first this command will get executed. So this is the output, that okay, I am under user shared practice script directory. Now as I'm giving absolute path and I'm saying cd, so from this script folder this will change to this path. So that's why this option is this path is appearing because of this echo pwd. Now as we executed the command tilde sign cd tilde, so it will take me to the home directory of the user. So it has taken me to the home directory of the user, and because of this pwd it is appearing showing the output over here. Same way, now again from this home directory I want to go to this path. So I'm not again doing cd and this path and again so I'm just using this option cd space hyphen. So again I will move to the this path, user shared practice Unix commands. So don't worry about script execution. Once we are done with all our command execution and all this stuff, then again obviously we will take and we will I will teach I will take a session how to write scripts and all this stuff. If I just keep explaining the how to execute command, then somewhere you may not get the feel that okay, this is just like somebody is trying to execute. But if I teach you from scripting perspective, then you will get to know, okay, other than execution, how we can make use of commands in the script also. I hope you like this video. Please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In next lecture we will take one more command. Thank you very much.